Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to allow camera access on TikTok. So if you want to allow camera access on TikTok, what you have to do is first of all you have to tap and hold on to your TikTok application, and by doing that a icon will pop up where you should tap on I, which basically means app info. So after tapping on that app info, now you have to tap on permissions, and after tapping on permission, you have allowed TikTok to access some features on your device and not allowed to access some features on your device. So now what you have to do is to allow camera access on TikTok, you just have to tap on camera and now tap on allow only while using the app. And you should do the same with the microphone option. And if you would like, you can also allow your location and then access your contacts. And after doing that, you will allow camera access on TikTok. So that's it. This is how to allow camera access on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.